This is the John Sabo C6 Series small form factor PC. It fits ITX, MATX. It's 0.7 millimeters steel. Its dimensions are 202 millimeters width, 266 millimeters depth, 295.2 millimeters with the case stand in height. And I bought this so that I can make a small form factor out of my current server PC setup. Give me 1 second. Let me find my knife. Crack this bad boy open. It's kind of a bad cut, but it's kind of close to the camera. Cracking her open right here. It's a nice little unboxing for y'all. It's kind of hard. My little workstation here comes nicely packed though. So you can see padding, PC right here. Let me pull it out of the box, out of frame. 1 second. It comes already assembled. Nice box. Manual if you are interested in manuals. We don't read those around here though. Let's pull her out of the plastic case right here. Oh, it's pretty nice. Alright, so we got the top vent area, side vent area. It's supposed to come with a handle, and they don't look like they gave me a handle. That's fine. Yeah. Oh, it's for a strap. That's right, it's a strap handle. Strap handle should be in here somewhere. Let's crack this bad boy open. Find it out. How do we? Oh, okay. It's nice. Uses the little metal pins for locking. Found the handle. It was in the bottom of the box. So they designed this with a handle so that you can easily carry it anywhere. I got worried for a second, to be honest. A little John Sabo. And that goes at the top right here. So from here, so we'll do boop. Here, boom, boom. Alright, now we got a nice little carrying PC, kind of sick. Got all the space for activities. I'm not running a GPU in this one, but if I was, you're very limited in width, so keep that in mind. I would get a small form factor GPU as well. But yeah, it's pretty nice so far. I think all the panels come off as well. I probably shouldn't. Yeah, so this comes off, backside comes off. Little finger pressure, and that's what gets you done. Pretty sturdy, nice case. It got some front I/O right here. Got a USB-C, we got a mic plug, we got the power light, and a USB 3.0. And at the bottom, we have little feet. Pretty simple, standard feet. Not bad at all, though. I'm digging it. It's way smaller than my current case. I'm gonna build it up real quick, and then by build quality though, I highly recommend it. It's nice steel construction. It's very lightweight, no components in it obviously, and it fits an ATX power supply, MATX motherboard, and an ITX motherboard.